Let me see what you're doing. So you want me to do that?
Yes.
So you think I can do that?
Yeah.
Let me see you, Grace. Let me see.
It's easy.
What? So you think I could do that?
It's easy. I could also do this without my hands.
Like what? Well, sweet. Wait,
Okay.
do that again? Okay.
I think it like this.
Okay. Okay.
It's easy.
So you think I could do that?
Easy. Of course you can. It's easy. All you just have to do is go now.
Wait, popcorn balls? That's what you call it?
Even bounce.
Okay, let's see.
To get up. Mama.
Okay.
Okay, this is.
All right, let's see.
And you can also do.
Show off. You're just showing off now. Great. Yay. I'll try. Well,
Okay, it's on. Oh my God! She said she'd try again. And this is what she does.
do you have video?
Come on, Mom, do it. Do it. See? Not much better.
Okay, hold on. Give me a chance.
Da, da, da. Exactly like a buddy. Not the right thing. Stop playing around.
He's not playing around, he's trying. You know?
Go! You did it, but you fell. So great.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
You did it! Yay! Yay! Let's see what she could do. Part 3. Let's see what she can do. Let's do this. You did it! Okay, okay. You did it! But now let me show you something else.